Hey, I didn't really, I'm recording this now because I didn't do it while we were fishing before. And I should have. I was just excited to be fishing with a buddy. I want to go over what we used, how we used it real quick. And that way you know, because an experienced fisherman will know what we were doing. Now, if you're just starting out, you won't know. So this is for you guys. I was using a Cast King Zephyr bait finesse reel on a 6-foot Crappie Max Signature Series Bass Pro Rod, light action, 10-pound braid, FG knot, 10-pound fluorocarbon. All right. We were using Hell Grommets on a Wacky Head Bass Pro Shops brand. Because I don't have any Nicos. My Nico order should come in tomorrow or Monday. But anyway, the green pumpkin candy. They're nice to have and they float pretty good when you can get them. I started off with a popper, a little 2-inch Bass Pro Shops brand popper. My wife bought me this and I didn't really take it serious until I caught a 4-pound smallmouth on it first cast 7 or 8 months ago. But my Bass Pro's sold out of them right now. But yeah, that's what I call those first topwater fish on. It's little, you can see how big it is. Little, like a 2-inch popper. Don't underestimate it. That looks just like a cicada on the water, or a bug, or a mouse, anything. Also, we were using Neds. This is a Noah's Flooded Lure Senko that I cut off because, like right there, I just cut it. Because I don't have any more Neds. We were using a brown natural style Ned, Matsuo, and I run out because the fish were just tearing them up. Man, we were catching that many. There's a lot of fish you don't get to see because I forgot my batteries. I only had like 4 hours of footage. We fished for 8. So the last 4 hours you don't get to see, unfortunately. But look at that action though in the water. The water makes that tail move like that. That tail gets to moving and fish just come and eat it, all right? Noah's Flooded Lures, okay? That's called the Golden Gill. Back when he first got started, I guess. This is what I wanted. I told him I fished clear creeks. He threw this color in. I've got the watermelon, and then I've got a real dark black that also works good, all right? So I've been rocking this guy for a minute, all right? I love his stuff. He's the only sticker I've ever put on anything. Look how worn out this sticker is compared to those. See how that one's brand new and shiny? This one's all faded. Yeah, I've had him on there for a minute. That's how much I believe in him. But yeah, didn't have any more Nads. Took a Senko, cut off about a 3-inch section, and we used them all day. That's why. Look, and people gonna say, you know, you should have just bought Neds. I don't have any more Neds. This is all I had, and I like this better. You take the skinny section, you get a real wobbly one, right? When they're biting real good, take the big thick section and it lasts a lot longer. They don't tear it off as much. I like having the skinny and the long I can pick. I love it. I love it. I wish I'd have thought of it sooner. It just came to me when I'm like, man, I don't have any more Neds, and I saw the bag and I'm like, uh-oh. Anyway, worked beautifully. Look at that action, man, in the water. I just need it to be in a floating plastic instead of a sinking plastic. When I order again, I'm going to get them made in floating plastics. Anyway, yeah, that's been long enough. I'll let you all get to it, watching the video, and thanks for watching. So you say trout, huh?
Yeah. The other day I came here and had no luck, but
Caught a few bass right behind there.
He's caught some good ones. He caught a 3.5 pounder up there the other day.
And I know it's weird to carry 2 poles, but I don't like cutting line, tying hooks, and then 5 minutes later deciding I want to throw a lure again. So I'm glad they got a trash bag here. This is pretty clean.
Swimming hole. You can't fish here after about 11 o'clock. People down here fucking swimming.
It looks good.
Probably have to do some cooks.
I got everything, buddy. He's throwing the hell grommet too. Believer, huh?
don't go up here quite a bit.
It's alright. That's creek fishing. Like that, first cast right off the rip. Oh, no, I got unhung. I was on a rock. Now I'm in the water. That's a sharp ass hook. It got me. Well, there's Hell Grammet 1 down for the day.
The first one. That won't be the last one. Here's the first. That'll be the last.
I don't mind the Bass Pro ones so much because they're cheap. Now them Nikos, those Japanese ones I was showing you,
I was looking at them on Amazon.
they're like $8 for a 4-pack or something like that. But they're absolutely the best I've ever seen. We're gonna throw this just for the hell of it.
Oh, I stole your Panther Martin the other day.
You what?
I stole your Panther Martin.
I know you did. I was gonna bring it up.
It's in my tackle box. I bought me one too.
I was just waiting for the right time to bring it up.
I didn't do it on purpose.
I know you didn't do it on purpose, but it was gonna be funny. What is that? Just a deep hole that runs this whole side?
Yep. That's why I'm off. You can buy it from right now. Right now, probably goes on to your chest, but when it's high, you don't have your head.
Smallmouth. Top water popper, baby. I think it's a smallmouth. It may be a, oh, he's in a tree. It may be a red eye. No, it's small. Wait a minute. What the hell? Oh, it's a big red eye.
Yeah, it's better than nothing.
First thing in the morning when it's dark, top water popper, baby. They can't tell it's not fake lure. I didn't know if it'd cast it because this thing doesn't weigh anything. And he absolutely munched it though. Did you see him come up?
That motherfucker swings that reel though. I may have to start trying to use one.
I use everything, man. I just, I used to hate new fishing lures, right? I always use the same thing. I know it works, but you never know till you try it.
Yep.
Look at that, big old red eye on a cheapo little, that's a Bass Pro Shops brand popper.
The video's not up.
Yeah, it goes at the same battery.
Oh, okay.
If you want it up, just tap the screen.
Didn't work. There we go.
Every 3 minutes, it'll go into that to say battery. Surface. I did it again. I'm gonna turn the brakes up. I want to slide you right under there, yeah, like you're a bug that fell out of a tree. There we go, second fish. Smallie too. That's a smallmouth.
That's something else.
Smallie too. That's a smallmouth. Oh, you're gonna get me and you. Don't do it. I told you. Did you think I was lying? He's gonna get me. Gotcha. Little smallmouth.
You said that about the last one and fucking red eye. I decided to make sure.
Well, it was a big red eye, to be fair. He's kind of plain looking though. He ain't got no color, no nothing. Just
That's how most of them around here are.
Oh, I catch a few of the whole solid dark. Little smallmouth. Look at you, little feller. You just caught me on a day I'm holding my mouth right. Actually, honestly, the last time we fished, I was just so happy we were all together. I didn't really give a shit. But yeah, you throw this under the banking on the bushes, and they think it's a frog, a bug, a mouse.
Don't know what the hell it is.
Yeah, it's just dark. They just know it's food. When it gets brighter, you can tell it's you know. Maybe I'm just throwing what they want. Oh no, I will go after you if I don't get my lure back. Oh shit! So yeah, listen, my wife bought me this, right? And I thought it was a joke. She knows I like topwater, right? Mm-hmm. And she bought me this. It's like $2, $3 at Bass Pro. And the treble hooks aren't the best. See, I've already broke one off. And I threw it one day and I caught like a 4-pound smallmouth on it. And I'm like, what? No. And the closer to the bank you can get when you do this, the better. You just lose a lot of stuff this way. But that's how fishing is. If you're not hanging up, you're not where the fish are. Well, you can't catch them every day. No. I love it. Oh, I jerked it out of his mouth.
Maybe. I'm just trying to make it a challenge. I'm gonna let you get a few up, then I'll start.
I've been a mistake of a few people before.
Look at there, son.
Got a shit top. What you got, a chub? You turn your drag down real low?
Fuck you. That look like a chub to you?
That looks like a smallmouth I just put back in the damn water.
It probably fucking is. I ain't proud though. That's one.
How's my sloppy seconds feel?
Fucking good. I'll catch that sumbitch again.
We're having too much fun right now. What I want is for that tree to about 4 foot up from the water lose all its limbs. Oh, I missed him. At least one went for it. That's more action than I've seen in a minute. Got him that time.
There you go. That was like a good one.
Yeah, got him that time. That's a better smallmouth anyway. And it is a smallmouth.
I'll have to catch that son of a bitch when you let it go.
Yeah, he went for it the first time, but he missed it. Oh, I got him on the bad hook too. Oh. Actually, I thought he was a little bigger, but I don't think he's that much bigger.
He's fatter,
All right, buddy, listen. I think I barely got you. I do barely got you. Yeah, I just had you, as they would say, whisker hooked. That is a fatter fish. It's a good looking fish though. He's a little bit darker.
Yeah, throw him right here in front of me.
See what I mean? Most, whoa. Would you ever think something like that would work for catching fish?
Yeah, I've caught fish on old Taco Bell before, so.
I gotta put good treble hooks on this thing. I'll probably lose more fish. But yeah, you see where that tree's hanging down? You know I was casting? Bugs fall down, hit the water.
Yeah.
And when that hits the water, they think it's a bug or a mouse or whatever, right? Oh man. Yeah. Yeah, it looks great.
You can probably tell with the bass and red-eyed ladies by looking
Oh yeah.
out over there.
Oh yeah. OMG. OMG.
It's fucking good at it.
It looks good. If there ain't a trout or a smallmouth in there, I'll tell you what.
I don't think it, well, rarely do I fish there in my kitchen. Rarely. I don't say never, but I have.
The only thing I have is the deep holes in the middle. But that's okay. They're already attacking it. See? I missed. I fucking missed. Son of a bitch. I know you've seen that. Oh, he missed it, man. I seen him chasing it and he missed. That was a good smallmouth. Oh, look at you.
I know how to fish this thing.
Is it?
No,
I was fixing to say, boy, that don't look like no smallmouth I've ever seen.
that's three, that is.
That's three. 3 more and you'll be caught up. I got you. I'm about to put down my little play toy, I guess. I'm gonna have to get serious. One,
Yeah, I've caught stuff on the nest before.
but it looks good. You know?
I got some on my tackle box. You know how you catch them, Ben? Throw your mice tail on there.
I got those too. Oh, if it's working, fucking,
Ain't broke, don't
it ain't broke, don't fix it. It's the reason I'm changing up. I ain't caught anything. It broke. I'm trying to fix it. Yours ain't broke. It's working fucking spectacular.
If you want to use your lure, I'll give it back.
No, keep adding to that body count. If you want to use your lure, I'll give it back. That's what we're working with, folks. Let me tell you the best thing I ever started carrying. Pair of fingernail clippers.
Yeah.
Yep, nips the line off. I use my teeth, but I use some heavier line that you can't. So there's certain occasions, like when I'm catfishing, you just can't. I fix that, don't you lose it. I seen you get caught on that rock or limb. There's a stick in that hole. Yeah, the world's biggest chub. Got one.
There you go.
I don't know what it is.
That's the world's biggest chub.
Red eye. Damn red eye. It's amazing how they can just choke a bait down, you know?
Yeah. Make you think you got something big on there.
Because these hell grammets are big, you know? And he just, oh, come here. He just inhaled the whole thing. Found out what was trying to suck his tail off. It was not a chub, though. Not the world's biggest chub. It was the little red eye that could. If I could catch one, I would use them as bait. Got him that time. Oh yeah. Yes. That one liked it real slow. I was barely just slowly retrieving it, man, like it's crawling on the ground.
That's how I caught them trout I caught on it. Just barely retrieving it.
Something's nipping at it again. Ooh.
I told Brandon we caught so many we lost count.
He gonna be tore up as it is. Yeah, he's already gonna be tore up. Yeah. It's all right. I know how to fish this hole next time, old buddy. Oh, I got a good one. Whatever I call it's big. What did I catch? World's biggest red eye. I shit you not.
That's a chunk.
That is a chunk. But we're gonna measure him. He's so chunky. I think that's a tarp. If he's 10 inches, you can get a certificate. He hit it like a daggum big smallmouth. I knew. That's a big red eye. Holy cow. I threw it out and it literally hit the water and took off swimming. Look at you. Look at you. I just can't catch up. That shouldn't count. Damn it. You should use him as bait. Boys and girls, this is a red eye. Look at that chunk. He is that size. Just so you can see, he's all the way against it. That is a chunk. Nine and a quarter inches. I thought these things were a joke too, right? Hell, Grammit. There's a YouTube channel called Creek Fishing Adventures, and he flat slays fish on them.
I've thought about using them before.
Glad to open your eyes. Got another. It's a chunk too, whatever it is. Or he's just a fighter. Fighter. These are some pretty red eye in here though.
Yeah.
Come here, little buddy. Hold on. I think we're tied up finally. Last time I tied you, you caught one right after I did. Look at that pretty dark fish. He's over here, I'm just gonna rock my Panther Martin that I stole. And I'm over here having to rock my two best lures.
I told you earlier, I ain't a proud man. I'll do what I gotta do to catch some fish.
That's a good video though. Most people don't think that Panther Martins work that good, right? They think a spinner, you'll catch one fish and you're done, right? It's a good video showing exactly if you know how to work it.
I think I've caught all of them on this.
You have not. I remember when you put it on, that's when you caught the smallmouth.
Look at that. That's a good little bass.
He's a good.
You're all right, buddy. You hold still, I'll get you loose.
So about right there is where it's deep.
Yeah. I think I got a little red eye.
Oh, look at you.
I know how to fish this, son. No, that's a little bass.
Is it?
Yeah? No, it's a red eye.
I was fixing to say, boy, that don't look like no small.
You know what that is? That's threes, what that is.
That's 3.
That's tied,
More
son.
You'll be caught up. I got you.
No, that's tied right now.
I'm about to put down my little play for it again. I'm gonna have to.
Yep. Ooh, come on now. Yeah. I hooked his jaw shut.
If he swallowed it.
No, I hooked his jaw shut. I caught him on both sides. Come on now. Yeah, there you go. That's 4. Got him.
Oh. Another trap. I'm trying to test something for trout right now.
What are you using?
Power bait and nets.
There you go.
Never used them.
What color did you get? Did you get the orangest one?
I think I got enough weight for it. Good looking.
If you'd calm down, I'd get you. He's a frisky little thing. And he's fat, I can't hardly get a hold of him.
That is a healthy fish.
There we go. Yeah, that last one I hooked the bottom lip and the top lip on him. If you want to use your lure, I'll give it back to you.
No, keep adding that body count. If you want to use your lure, I'll give it back. That's what we're working with, Paul.
6.
Look at that. Add him to the stringer.
He's just right at keeper size.
Yeah, he's perfect. I already eyeballed him. He's pan size. He's excited.
And every day you get fished by Daniel Herring, caught by Daniel Herring. I fucked it up. There you go.
I don't know what it is.
That's a trout. That's the world's biggest chub.
Red eye.
One can't swim. Aha.
Oh, yeah,
Looks like I'm buying you a...
I'll go get that when we leave. I'm getting...
Oh!
No!
Worked my magic on it. It knew better. That tree didn't want to get its ass whooped. It let go.
Oh, I just missed one. That might have been the world's biggest chub.
I can't believe I got that.
I can't either. That thing's caught too many fish to be lost like that. No offense.
It deserves a proper
I
burial.
watched you catch 5 or 6 today, and I know I've caught over 20.
It's a good one.
Don't give spinners that kind of experience.
Easy now. It ain't running right for some reason.
Maybe you bent it pulling it out of the damn tree.
No.
No. Slowly retreating, man, like it's crawling on the road.
That's how I caught them trout I caught on the Hell Granite. Was just barely retrieving it in.
Something's nipping at it again.
I got a red eye.
Ooh.
Well, I tell Brandon we caught so many we lost count. He'll be mad.
He's gonna be tore up as it is.
Yeah, that's a big old red eye.
That's a big red eye. Holy cow. I threw it out and it literally hit the water and took off swimming. Look at you. Look at you. I just can't catch up. That shouldn't count. You should use him as bait.
I'm out. We had like 7 trout on the stringer, and we walked a little piece down the river and came back, and there was a dog running away with her damn fish.
I've had copperheads caught never quite had a dog. He's probably just hungry, man.
Yeah, he had good supper that night.
Hungry. He had all 6 of them. He had a good supper.
Got another one.
Daniel bringing that egg out. I think we laid a hurting on the red eye.
Oh yeah.
I think we sore lipped it. And we red eye.
And we caught the king too. Or you caught the king.
They'll grab it. They suck on it, they just can't. Well, you know how it goes. You know the power of it now. I ain't telling you nothing you don't already know. Hold his mouth open. Oh, you got one of them crazy hooks.
Is this a regular Aberdeen?
Aberdeen extended, yeah. I call them gill getters.
Yeah. You catch trout on them,
Yeah.
though. That's why I like them. You're gonna get the sunbitch. Red eye.
Better than no eye.
Yeah, true.